Yeah, my people, I don't know, say talk up, boss back in a place. As you see the surrounding, you know, say in the country with it. I do some farming and thing. You know, time I get hard right now, you know. Most of us are out of a job, get layoff and things, so we have to do the right thing, you see me? Make sure the food still in the plate. Understand? Yeah, man. So, this video just a little of the country life, if you understand what we do up here. Alright, so just stay tuned and watch what I'm gonna see me? Yeah. Bad boy CJ plant the corn.
Hey, boy.
Hey.
Country life.
Country life. The mountain over there, so. As me I say so. You know, say I want a hill with the pan.
I want a place.
I want a place. Me rather dey on the hillside. Aye. When nobody know the fit, you see me I say. Yeah man, right. I eat. On the hillside I plant some corn and thing.
And what do you say, a carrot over there, so?
Carrot over there, so. Yeah man, carrot over there, so. Some corn for the line, you know.
Everything.
Everything. Yeah. So, you know we just link up CJ a while ago, so we check for the boss. I say no. I plow up some land. I don't know exactly what I'm do. But let me see what I go on, you see me? So just follow me. No, just stay just stay up online, you see me? Just continue watch the video. Yeah. If you look down in the camera, I don't want to take nothing. I did the boss.
Go on.
I'm there. So why are you plow up there?
You know what, say some carrot chuck maybe.
Carrot chuck.
Yeah man, some beautiful carrot.
Oh.
Farrow.
Okay.
So the land soft.
Yeah.
Already we know where you have to plow it. Because you plow it run too much.
Okay.
You just make some drill.
Yeah.
And do what you have to do.
For real.
And so.
For real.
Next piece of land me have to plow it because I never so soft.
Okay. Yeah, people, so some carrot row. So what I say, carrot row?
Yeah man, carrot drill.
Carrot drill. Yeah man, so I prepare the land for the carrot them. Good for your eyesight. Yeah. Alright man. Just go up and come now. Let me get a run off right now. Yeah, give them here.
Yeah man, I'll follow the line, see him way. See it people? The man himself.
Yeah.
You know, if you go deep, you know, you can't just see it light. It's soft already and show a carrot. Yeah. Alright, go look more up to the next one. Yeah man. So you keep him close to the one where we do first. You can bring him up to Kumura. Go up here. Come on, you can't come see me, but go up. Oh, you want to turn that now? You just follow him. Follow the turn. See him so. Yeah, do it right. See the paper? The man himself, sir. I always say talk up. Do it to that one. Alright. Love that. Yeah, try one more. You can start and go to me. Aye. Yeah man.
Too close, I good.
No man, you're good man. Because I scatter it over all light. Because I scatter it over it. Or if you want, turn your back next way and do it. Turn in. I turn on and do it so now. Easier for you so.
Yes guys, you're not easy, you know, but height.
Same so.
Height. The man I work hard and I go quick to get food at market.
Yeah man, that's how we do it, you know, every day thing.
Yeah. So I put in a little bit of work. We appreciate the farmer them.
Just like that.
Yeah. And the chef them and every one of them.
Yes man.
Yeah. You look like me I'm dead, but I thought you know.
Yes people, that's how the thing set, you know. We have to tilt the soil to get where we want out tight. It can't tilt by itself. You stay down there, Siege. Alright, sir. Mud up your thing. Alright. See you man, say.
Yeah man. Jaja.
Eh? So dark and dark spot. Yeah man, I remember man, but them good man. Yeah man, them good man, the blackbird them soon deal with them. Blackbird soon work on them. I have no way.
Yeah my people. Alright. That's for me farming for 2020. I don't think I'll do more farming from that one, you know. So this is just farming vlog, isn't it? You know, so we're up on the road, so I give a look at preview. How we're up on the road. We're there way up at one place. Way up at one place. Yeah. Yeah man. So big up to everybody who tune in and watch the little farming thing. You see me? Alright. Blessings.